So, if you've been using Grok's free imagination feature, you've probably noticed it's either gone or really limited now. A lot of people are stuck, and honestly, it's frustrating. That feature made it so easy to create insane images and even video ideas in seconds. But don't worry, you don't actually need Grok anymore. There are alternatives that do almost the same thing, and some can even be better if you know how to use them properly. Today, I'm going to show you two powerful tools and exactly how to use them for both images and videos. The first one is Qwen. This is seriously underrated. It's fast, creative, and perfect for generating visuals or even story prompts. Let me show you how it works for images. Open Qwen and give it a detailed imagination prompt. For example, you could type cinematic shot of a lone warrior standing in a cyberpunk city, neon lights, rainy atmosphere, ultra realistic. You can also create a video of an image or create a video from scratch by giving it a prompt of your desired style. This is how you perfectly create a cinematic style video and image through Qwen. Number 2 is Meta AI. This one is super accessible and works inside apps like Instagram or WhatsApp, or you can use it directly online. For images, just type something like, create an image of a futuristic city at sunset, ultra detailed. Meta AI is great for fast, clean visuals that are consistent. It might not be as wild as Grok, but it's reliable. For videos, Meta AI works in a similar way. You can animate image directly or ask it to give AI video prompts for a short cinematic animation, or even break an idea into visual scenes for animation. So even though Grok's free imagination feature might be gone, your creativity isn't. You're just switching tools. Try both Qwen and Meta AI. Qwen for deeper, more creative prompts, and Meta AI for fast and consistent results. Test them out and see which one feels closer to the Grok experience, and tell me in the comments.